Okay. But check this out, though, guys. Great place to watch the fireworks here. You got the fireworks. You got the monument back there. You know, perfect spot. You know, bring you and a friend or a date. You know, this summer. You know, we've got a couple benches out here. You can have it lined up here. And I'm sure, many lovers come here. I mean, families maybe, but nice little place out here. Nice little place out here. I don't know what that sound is back there, but it seems like someone keeps copying, Someone keeps copying the sound back there. Ooh. I'm just kidding. You know what I mean? For any smarty pants people out there. I'm just playing, You got rats. You got rats. That is a rat. That thing big. It would have been approached by deer, bunnies, rats. Maybe that's we got cow. Oh, he was with me. Hey, still. What up, my team? What up, man? Got cow, deer, and Johnny. What's up, guys? You guys were in a Wu-Tang crew together, right? Respect. Thank you guys for bringing my life back, Thank you for, making things feel real. Bringing life to my memories. Really. Thank you to those that helped bring life to my memories. Thank you to those that helped bring love and passion into my life. Thank you to those that helped me be passionate about life. Thank you to those that helped me be passionate about life. Legal, man. Esse dá pra ter que chegar. Já esse é um work telefone. Dá pra lá. Oh, really? Já então. Try to go to the fireworks. Okay. Cool. Just go over. Okay. Alright. The job in Boston. Yeah, I play, see this an engineer. Yeah, Newmark. Okay. Alright. Thank you, bro. Okay. Okay, thank you, bro. How about those fireworks, ladies and gentlemen? Wow. Nice sea breeze, too. Love it. You know what I mean? America. I mean, we'll be outside celebrating Juneteenth as well. You know, this is going up on the YouTube. You know what I mean? Why not live? You know what I mean? 9-minute chill.